How to easily create killer content for SEO. Step 1. Open up Google Docs. Step 2. Lay out your document with headings first. Step 3. Try to include everything you think they need to know when you're adding your headings. Step 4. Go to Tools, Word Count, and enable that bad boy so you can see how long your content is. Step 5. Begin writing. Speak as if you were talking to a friend and keep it informal. Step 6. Add a call to action at the bottom of your content telling them what you want them to do. Remember, SEO is only a means to an end, so make sure to push them towards either A, calling your business, B, buying one of your products, or C, opting in to your email list. Step 7. Transfer your blog posts over to WordPress and hit publish. Step 8. Promote your content on social media to get more exposure.